If you're still blotting your face multiple times a day, or your face looks like a waxy oil slick, this video's for you. There's a good chance that what you've been told about oily skin is actually making it worse. I'm going to explain why your skin is overproducing oil and what to do about it. So let's start at the beginning. What actually is oily skin? Oily skin are overactive sebaceous glands producing excess sebum. Sebum is also known as oil. Oil is not the enemy. It's your skin's natural protective barrier. Causes can be things like genetics, medications, hormones, climate, and how you're treating it. A note I want to make really clear right here in the beginning, and you'll hear me say it a few times. The oil you see on your face is not dirty. It's your skin trying to protect itself. So here's the vicious cycle you're in. What's happening, right? You feel oily, so you strip your skin with harsh cleansers, scrubs, astringents, things like that. Your skin panics because its protective barrier is gone, so it overcompensates, creates more oil to get to an equilibrium, and then you get oilier, and then you strip it again, and you just keep repeating that cycle over and over again. This is why you cannot dry out oily skin, because it keeps going in that cycle. Every time you strip your skin, you're training it to be more oily. Next, let's talk about why everything you've tried hasn't really worked. Mattifying products, they're a temporary band-aid. It doesn't address the root cause. Oil-free products often contain ingredients that disrupt your skin barrier. Harsh additives, really strong acids, alcohol-based toners, not hydrating alcohols, the dehydrating alcohols, those equal more stripping, and you're fighting your skin instead of working with it. So here's what works. The goal isn't to eliminate all the oil, it's to regulate the oil production. You do this by supporting your skin's barrier, not destroying it. When your skin feels safe and balanced, it stops overproducing oil. And this means doing things like gentle cleansing, proper hydration. Yes, oily skin still needs hydration. Barrier support ingredients. I know right now that probably sounds really counterintuitive because that's what you've been taught. But hang with me for a few more videos and you will see treating your oily skin more gently is what will get you the results you need. So in the next video, I'm going to give you a quick win, a quick change that you can make tonight that will start breaking this cycle. First, I need you to do me a favor. Work on your mindset here. Your skin is not a problem to attack. You are not dirty. It's a signal that something is out of balance. Once you shift your approach and your mindset, everything will start changing. In the next video, we'll cover that quick win, so don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss it. Bye for now.